Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. Today I'm working on this Worcester-Bosch and the return manifold is leaking.
So guys, I'm changing this manifold today.
Right, the first thing we're going to do is take the condenser P-trap out. That will give us a bit more space. Then we're going to isolate flow and return and the cold water inlet. Once that's done, we're going to start draining it down. Our white slate here install drain down. Opening up the nuts for flow and for the return and cold water inlet. I haven't made much film of me taking the return manifold out, but it's more in more details when I'm putting it back in. So it's all in reverse order after that. Now in this boiler we don't have a bypass, so I didn't have to take the pump out. All I had to do is disconnect it and just push it to the side, and then after that it was easy for the return manifold to come out. And this is it, return manifold's out. I'm just going to take the PRV off, put it on the new one. Now I had the plate heat exchanger disconnected from one side, so I thought it's just one more screw, right? Take it out and just clean that for him. I'm sure he hasn't been cleaned for so many years. Now that's the old one and that's the new one next to it, getting ready to be put in. Right, I've taken the old PRV off and put it on the new one. It was in a good shape, so I didn't have to change that. I'm also changing the domestic hot water turbine adapter. I put a new one in of that because when I took the old one out, it was broken. Right, the first thing that's going back in is the plate heat exchanger because it's right at the back. So I've washed it out, I've cleaned it out. Now it's going back in. I'm gonna pause the film here. I'm obviously gonna need both hands to put it in. Right, now the plate heat exchanger is in. Just gonna put the monoblock back in, the return manifold. Now all you gotta do is just make sure the PRV is in at the back and just hook it in and line it up with the screw that goes onto the body of the boiler. Once that's lined up, and that's it. What I do in this film, I screw it in first. Not realizing I gotta put the pump in, and they have the angle to put the pump in. So I had to take the screws out, put the pump in, and then screw it back in. Now that I've put the screws in, I've secured the plate heat exchanger and the return monoblock. I can't get the pump on, so I had to take the screws back off, and then I had the angle. Right guys, here I realized I can't put the pump on. So I had to open the screws slightly, get myself a bit of an angle, so then I can put the pump in, and it did go in. That was easy. Guys, I had to pause the film because I need both of my hands on that. Guys, if you got a broken down boiler in Birmingham, South Birmingham, we repair all your favorite boilers from baxi, Biasi, Worcester-Bosch, Vaillant and many more. Majority of the repairs are done on the same day, so don't suffer in cold, give us a call. We also offer boiler servicing and landlord certificates, and we also repair tank systems and Gledhill boilers too. Right, the pump's in, it's secured, clipped in, and that's fine. Next thing is the pump washer. I should have changed that while I had the pump out, while I had it out. But anyway, it's not hard. Just gotta get a flat screwdriver and yank it slightly up, and you put your new washer in. Right, the next thing I'm gonna do is return pipe. I've put some new washers in, and I'm just gonna hand tighten them first, and then use the spanner. Same thing with the cold water inlet. I'll put new washers in. I'm gonna hand tighten it first. Right, I'm quite happy with that. Seems like it's all done now. So I'm ready to open the flowing return pipe and the cold water inlet, and we're going to test it out. Right guys, I'm ready to switch the power on, and I hope you enjoyed the film, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Guys, again, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, stay positive, keep smiling. Hopefully that'll keep you happy. Go to the return manifold on that. No more leaks in there. You see, no more leaks here. So sorted. Right. Guys, if you got a boiler broken down and needs repairing, give me a shout. Till next time, Birmingham, boiler fix.